Hello, and welcome to our training series on Quality Assurance in Textile and Garments Manufacturing. In today's video, we will talk about Module 4, First Time Right Approach. In this video, you will learn what does first time right mean, why first time right is important, how to achieve first time right in textile production, role of QA in FTR, real-world scenario, FTR in action, visual tool, FTR score tracking, tools that support first time right. Let's begin and learn how to make better quality products together. What does first time right mean? Think of FTR like cooking a dish. If you prepare it right the first time, it saves you from wasting time and ingredients fixing mistakes. First time right means doing things correctly from the beginning, no rework, no second chances. It focuses on preventing mistakes, not just detecting them. The goal: every product passes inspection the first time it's made. Why first time right is important? Saves time and cost by reducing rework and defects. Improves efficiency in production lines. Increases buyer trust and on-time deliveries. Boosts employee confidence in processes. Real example: a factory reduced rework from 18% to 6% in 3 months by introducing a first-time right mindset during needle detection and final pressing. How to achieve first-time right in textile production. Key steps: clear tech pack review before production. Strong pre-production meetings. Use SOPs for critical processes. QA supervision during first hour of production. Root cause analysis of initial defects. Role of QA in FTR. FTR requires QA and production to work together. QA must be present early and vocal about any risks. QA responsibilities: identify potential issues in advance. Guide the production team during pilot runs. Stop line if major non-conformities are found. Report findings immediately and help set corrective action. Real-world scenario, FTR in action. Scenario: during the first bulk run of a woven shirt, buttons were stitched too loosely. 20% of units failed the button pull test. Action taken: QA stopped the line. Button stitching SOP reviewed and reinforced. Line operator retrained. Bulk resumed with tight controls. Result: 100% pass in final inspection, no rework needed. Visual tool, FTR score tracking. Tracking FTR rate helps QA leaders identify lines or styles that need support. It's a useful KPI for daily, weekly, or monthly reporting. Sample table. Style: Shirt A. Production date: 10th April 2025. Quantity: 5,000. FTR pass rate: 94%. Remarks: minor thread trimming issues. Style: Pants B. Production date: 12th April 2025. Quantity: 3,000. FTR pass rate: 87%. Remarks: pocket shape variation. Tools that support first time right. Style specific quality checkpoints. Pilot run evaluation forms. Clear sample approval process: PP sample, size set, GPT. Line setup SOPs. Real-time quality dashboards. Quick summary: Module 4. FTR is equal to make it right the first time. It's more efficient and cost-saving than fixing mistakes later. requires strong planning, communication, and execution. A successful FTR system reduces rework and increases buyer confidence. Thank you for joining this training session. We hope you learned something valuable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in Module 5.